how did you become a casting director? Because I think your learnings were different. You had chosen different fields.
Correct. So I'm a botanist. I really love plants, and I used like I never. I don't know. I think it's just a. I would say everything just fell into place. तो मैंने बॉटनी में ग्रेजुएशन किया था. Then I did my mass communication and I did my post graduation in mass communication journalism. And उसके बाद then I went to film school. Then I dropped out from film school and I started working in Yashraj Films as an assistant to Shanu Sharma. And from there I came out in 2011 or 10 and I started on my own. I did Ram Leela, Bajirao Mastani, a lot of films. And in 2016 I started my own company, Parag Mehta Casting. So yeah, and I'm here. I mean, it's just an amazing journey, and I feel everything has just maybe मुझे हमेशा से लगता था पता नहीं मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ मुझे क्या करना है मुझे पता नहीं है. But there was some kind of a voice or some guidance through various teachers, people coming into life, and they were helping me कि you know तू ये कर, तू ऐसे मत कर, तू इधर जा, तू इस तरीके से जा. And somehow I just followed my intuition and I knew it in somewhere in my heart कि जो भी हो रहा है अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है. And that's how I think accidentally I became a casting director.
So basically you were being led.
Yeah.
And the best part was you learned to flow.
Yeah.
You remember you were asking me what happens when the actors say, you know, ki, why aren't we reaching there? So this is your answer. Listen to your intuition and flow. And I think you did just that and you were like led through the maze.
Correct.
Till you reached your destination and where you have hung for so many years and you're doing a phenomenal job, you know, in what you're doing. It's amazing. It's an amazing work. So do you think destiny is stronger than, you know, what we really want? Like imagine starting from becoming a botanist and reaching somewhere like that. So would you say this was destiny?
I would say everything is a destiny. Yes, you can change it. You can try to get, like, it's like you know the destination, okay? You have to choose the path. अब आपको बस से जाना है, आपको साइकिल से जाना है, आपको मर्सिडीज में जाना है, आपको अर्टिगा में जाना है. It's that you have to take a call. But I think the destination is there.
So with the destiny, in the destiny we have something called the free will.
Yeah.
And that is how we have to make our choices.
We have to make
within the larger framework of destiny.
हाँ, and I think मुझे ऐसा लगता है you need to be very happy with that, and you have to be. And it's not like, I know that a lot of actors, they feel कि यार I have chosen this but I'm not getting this, and then that's the conflict starts happening.
Yeah.
But if you let go of that conflict and you move forward to that कि ठीक है ये हो जाएगा, जो भी मिलेगा अच्छा मिलेगा, नहीं मिलेगा तो कुछ अच्छा ही होने वाला है. And with that thought you move forward and the magic happens.
So tell me, when you're casting, when you're actually choosing people for roles, what do you really see in them? What is it that makes you feel, okay, this is the one who will be doing the role? How does, you know, your intuition or your higher, self or like, it's not only about logic, right? I mean, this person might fit the role very well, but I might still say, no, I think this guy will do a better job.
Correct.
So how do you do that?
So basically, see, casting is basically, most of the directors, producers, they think it's just अरे कॉल करके बुलाना ही तो है एक्टर्स को, you know, ये तो क्या सप्लाई का काम है, 50 नाम दे दिए, कोई किसी को भी बुला सकता है. But well, I don't think so. Casting is all about that. Yes, it is a part of, logical part is कि human resources, कि आपके पास एक किरदार है तो आपको 50 लोगों को बुलाना पड़ेगा, चेक करना पड़ेगा. But I think it's more beyond that कि जो कैरेक्टर लिखा गया है, what the imagination writer has written, the director is visualizing it.
Yeah.
And then when you meet a person, you need to understand that ये person कहाँ से आता है, इसकी लाइफ की जर्नी क्या रही है, और वो कौन से माइंड स्पेस में है. Okay, and what emotion he is going through. And once you understand that, and then you get this intuition, you get this gut feeling, अरे यार, you know, ये बहुत सही करेगा, ये पर्सन करेक्ट है ये पार्ट के लिए.